What is embedded system? Today we are going to discuss here the embedded system. So embedded system are devices used to control, monitor, assist the operation of equipment, machinery or plant. Embedded reflects the fact that they are integral part of the system. The embedded system is some combination of computer hardware and software, either fixed in capability or programmable, that is specifically designed for the particular function. In short, we can say that embedded system is a combination of hardware and software. In short, we can say that again, the embedded system in the embedded system, software is embedded into the hardware, that is called as a embedded system. So you know that today in the industrial applications and home appliances, so based on automation technology and data processing and data storage are the integral part of any automatic control system. So the embedded systems, it is provide the data processing as well as data storage. So you can see here, so software and plus hardware, so we will get here the one applications. So the application here, car, that is the automobile. Here you know that engines and windows and all these things by control by the hardware. That hardware is nothing but the embedded system. Now next, what is inside the embedded system? So before that, we should know about that the basic difference between the embedded system and computer system. You know that in the computer system is a general applications kind of the system. We can isolate the hardware from the software in the computer system. But what actually happen in embedded system? So embedded system, it is the applications kind of the system. It is the specific application based system. We cannot isolate the hardware from the software. So that's why it is called as an embedded system. So now what is the inside the embedded system? Embedded system, it is just similar to the computer system. So it's required the hardware. It's required the basics 3 hardware: CPU, central processing unit, memory, input output device, and software here applications, OS and device driver. So CPU is required a CPU, central processing unit, for processing the data, storing the data purpose. It required a control central processing unit. Central processing unit is nothing but the motherboard, which is consist of the microcontroller or microprocessor. Then we require the memory. So memory, there are 2 kinds of the memory we required for the embedded system. The first is the data memory, another is the program memory. They are called sometime user memory and code memory. Now input output device. Input devices we require. Suppose you want to give some data to the embedded systems. For that we have to require keyboard. We require the camera. Suppose for giving the signal to the embedded system. So input devices required. And output device is also required. Suppose you want to show the something, for that we require the display. Suppose you printer, it is this kind of the devices are required for embedded systems, and they are depending on the which kind of the embedded systems are used or designed for the application. Now the software application, it is the particular applications of the particular hardware. Operating systems, the operating systems are different kind of the operating systems are used in the embedded system. And device drivers the maintain the relations of operating systems and application. For that they require the device driver. Device driver drive the device